Good morning, my dear students. Class today we are going to start second exercise. There is nothing new in this. This we have done in previous classes also. First thing is the prime factors we have to get. So express each number as a product of its prime factor. You all know prime factor, how to determine that. If you remember, this is the method to get the prime factor. So 140, then divided by 2, it will become 70, then 2, then 35, then 5, 7, then 7 and 1 finally. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, 5 into 7, sorry. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So class now similarly 156, if we talk about 156, then 2 ja 78, then 2 ja 39, then 3 ja 13, and finally 13 and 1. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, this. So class similarly you have to get the prime factors of other also. Now class we have to find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of the integers and verify the relation that LCM into SCF is equals to product of the two numbers. So we will use the traditional method that we used to do, factors method only. Factor of 26 is 2 into 13 and factor of 91 is 7 into 13. So LCM, the common one, SCF, common one once, and this number will also come in a LCM. You all know in SCF only the common one we have to take, but in LCM what we have to do, we have to take the common one once and rest we have to write. So 26 into 91 is this much. Now 13 into 182, you product it and you will get the same result. So it means product of two number is equals to the LCM into SCF. This we have to do in question number 2 in all parts. Now class question number 3, to find the LCM and SCF of three numbers. Class this is a little different, don't take it easy, it's not a easy one. Class C, 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Now 15 is equals to 5 and 3 into 5, 21 is equals to this. Now the SCF will be, which should be common in all three. Okay, so all three is only the common. Okay, this and this. So finally ठीक हो गया, SCF is 3. But if we talk about the LCM, again the same thing, common will come at one time and rest of the things 2 to the power 2, 5 and 7. What if अगर यहाँ पे भी 2 होता तो क्या करते हम, one more 2 we should write here. नो क्लास, ये वाला 2 इसके साथ आ जाता पेयर पे. ओके, सो क्लास वी हैव टू डू इट, and you do more example from extra book, then you will come to know what I am trying to say actually. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि दो में कॉमन होता है, इसमें और इसमें कॉमन होता है, इसमें नहीं होता. एलसीएम निकाल, एचसीएफ इज़ ओके, जो सब में कॉमन होगा वही लिखेंगे. लेकिन एलसीएम में क्या होता है कि हमें अगर इन दोनों में भी कॉमन आ रहा है तो तब भी हम एक ही बार लिखेंगे. दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी विल राइट द वंस ओनली. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In next question you have to verify, you have to find LCM, sorry, you have to find LCM. SCF is given of these two number. SCF is given, LCM we have to find out, and two number we know. So LCM into SCF is equals to product of the two number. So LCM is equals to product of two number upon SCF. SCF is 9. Now solve it, you will get the answer. Directly also we can find out, but if SCF is given, we will use this formula. Sorry. Now next question. One of the important question in boards class. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with 0 for any natural number n. 6 to the power n कहने का मतलब है 6 to the power 1, 6 to the power 2, 6 to the power 3 करते करते क्या ऐसा कोई नंबर हो सकता है n की जगह पे, so that it can become 0, last digit it can become 0. So if any number ends with the 0, it should be either a multiple of 2 and 5. That is, it should be divisible by 10, or in other words we can say that it will also be divisible by 2 and 5. So prime factor of this 6 is 2 into 3. 5 is not there, so it can never end with 0, because 2 into 2 is there but 5 is not there. If 5 is not there, then it will never end up with 0. It should be both 2 and 5. Only this much we have to write. Same question you will find in example also, example number 4. Now explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and this number are composite number. Class, composite number is that number which has two more factor other than 1 and itself. It means that number can be written as a product of other two number. देखो, if suppose I am writing 13, 1 into 13, but 13 cannot be written in any other form, so that's not a composite number. But if I talk about 78, 1 into 78 is a composite number, and 6 into 13 is also 78. So 6 into 13, it forms a another pair. So class, you see here, see in this, first of all they have taken 13 as common from here and from here. What left? This part, is this and in place of this 1 left. 13 into 78. So this has a product of, here only we can say that 13 into 78. There is another factor of the same number. ये एक नंबर है जो कि 13 into 78 लिखे जा सकता है. No need to do this, यहीं पे पता चल जा रहा है. Same with this number also, this one number. Again they have taken 5 common from this. इनको multiply किया 108 plus 1008 1009 और ये further factorize नहीं हो सकता. So the given expression 5 into this as a factor, so again it is a composite number. So this is the way we find the composite number. The most common composite number is 0 and 1, जिसके unlimited number of factors हो सकते हैं. But if we have to check for other number, then we have to check if it is divisible by both. Sorry, if it is it can be written other than 1 into itself, तो वो एक कंपोजिट नंबर होगा. मतलब कंपोजिट नंबर किसी और दो नंबरों के प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में भी लिखा जा सके, 1 और इटसेल्फ को छोड़ के. 1 एंड इटसेल्फ तो हर नंबर को लिखा जा सकता है. उसके अलावा अगर किसी और नंबर के प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखा जा सके तो दैट्स अ कंपोजिट नंबर. Now there is a question. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia take 18 minutes to drive one round of the field and Ravi take 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many times will they meet again at the starting point? In a circular path, Sonia take 18 minutes to complete this. 18 minutes Sonia, and Ravi take 12 minutes to complete this. It means रवि जो है वो सोनिया से ज़्यादा फास्ट है. अब now see, when they are going in same direction, they will meet again at the same time when Ravi will have completed one round that of the circular path with respect to Sonia. ये तभी हो सकता है क्योंकि रवि फास्ट चल रहा है और सोनिया स्लो चल रही है. तो रवि दोबारा से घूम फिर के जब उस सोनिया तक पहुंच जाएगा तभी होगा ऐसा. तो दिस कैन बी सॉल्व यूजिंग एलसीएम ओनली. जब भी डिस्टेंस की बात आती है और उसमें हमें कुछ रिलेशन निकालना होता है तो it can only be done with the help of LCM. So just take the LCM of 18 and 20, 12, 18 and 12. After 36 minutes they will meet again. This is only the answer after taking out the LCM. So class, do complete this exercise today. Tomorrow we'll start another exercise. Only one question we have to do in that, to check whether a number is irrational or not. That's all class. Do well.